Well, hello there and welcome to my channel. Today we are coming back to my beauty studio, if I can call it that. But we are going back into making DIY masks, but today it's not a face mask or face scrub, but it is a hair mask. We are going to be trying a homemade DIY hair mask for frizzy hair, which requires only two ingredients, which are bananas. We need some ripe bananas and almond oil. I have it all ready and let's do it. Let's try it on my hair and see what will happen. For this hair mask, I am using the recipe from a website called, we don't remember, Bellatory. I will link it down below. They listed 3 recipes for hair mask for frizzy hair. I am picking the easiest one today, and if this will go well, then I will try 2 others, but this is the easiest one. As I said in the beginning, only requires 2 ingredients, which are bananas and almond oil. Recipe should be pretty easy. You just need to blend bananas until they are lump free, mix it with the 2 teaspoons of almond oil, and then just slather it on your hair. So I think that should be pretty straightforward. They also say that the bananas are very good to trap moisture into the dry frizzes, nourish scalp and hair follicles, helps maintain a natural hair elasticity and prevent breakage and split ends, prevents hair loss and controls dandruff. Okay. And almond oil is rich in multivitamins and omega fatty acids, penetrates deep into the scalp, straightening hair roots and shafts. I don't know what that is. Softens frizzy hair, promotes hair growth, adds a natural glow to dull frizzes, prevents hair breakage, helps scalp inflammations and dandruff. So, sounds very good, sounds very promising. We will see what this will do with my hair, but let's stop talking and let's stop doing something. So I am going to blend these 2 bananas and then I will come back to you and we can start hopefully nourishing my hair and not destroying my hair. Alrighty, we are back. Bananas are here, all blended. Now we need to put 1 or 2 teaspoons of almond oil. I got the almond oil off the Amazon. I really like it because it comes in a glass bottle. I will link it down below, the exact one which I got for myself. But I really like this recipe because it's so easy. I also had to buy some extra bananas because usually I don't have any bananas which I can waste. I usually use them all up and I have nothing left to be used for a hair mask, even though in the recipe they say that it's a good thing to, use the bananas which you would just throw away, which I never do. So I don't know how someone can throw away bananas. I never do that. So we have mixed. It smells pretty good though. Well, it smells like pured bananas. It looks very normal, banana-like, nothing too crazy. Doesn't look very oily, so I think we are almost ready to put it onto my hair. The only thing which is missing is mirror, which I forgot to bring, so I am going to go and get that right now and then we can start putting a mask on my hair. All right, we have a mirror, we have a hair, we have some hair clips, we have a hair mask, and it's time to start doing it. So they say to start from roots and working your way down. So this is exactly what I am going to do. Let me just sort of part the hair a little bit. My hair really needs a wash, so that's a good thing that I'm doing this mask, because then I can just go and wash my hair. And now I think we can work with this sort of situation. I'm just going to dab it on my hair with my hands. We will see how that will go. Let's just start. are done putting the mask on, there is some hair which was not trapped. That looks interesting, that looks weird. So now we are supposed to put it into a loose bun and wait for 15 minutes. Also they suggest to put shower cap on, which I'm not going to do because I know that will flare up my scalp. Because I do have a seborrheic dermatitis, I'm not going to put it into the shower cap. I'm just going to leave it as it is, but I will put it into the bun. You don't see it, but there are bananas everywhere. The mask is everywhere. It's all over the table, on the floor, on me as well. And yeah, it's kind of messy process, and my hair is kind of stuck together, so this loose bun is going to look very interesting. I definitely will need to wash myself as well as my hair, because as I said, the bananas are absolutely everywhere. Yeah, now it's time to wait 15 minutes, and then we can wash it off, dry the hair, and see what the mask did for me. Welcome back. We are all washed and clean and dried, and let's just now talk about this hair mask and talk about my feelings and my opinions about it. In the actual recipe or website, they suggest that you don't even have to use a shampoo or conditioner when washing off the mask because it smells nice. I felt like I wanted to use a shampoo, so I did. And then after I did use a shampoo, I felt like I wanted to use a conditioner as well. So I did do that as well. But what I didn't do is to use my leave-in conditioner, which I use to control my frizz and to make my hair a little bit more manageable. So mask overall, it's extremely messy, and you have to prepare yourself that you will have banana everywhere. It will be on the table, on the floor, on your clothes. So maybe if you want to try it, I would suggest you to do it in the bathroom or somewhere where it's easy to clean, maybe before having a bath or something like that, so you won't destroy a lot of your clothes. But just be aware of this situation which will happen. I smell like bananas, which is amazing. So let's now talk about the hair. I did do a little blow dry. I didn't really try a lot. I still have quite a bit of frizziness, and you can see my hair sort of dancing around. So it didn't really help as much with the frizziness, but what it did do, it moisturized my hair extremely well. My hair feels so soft, way softer than usually it does after washing my hair. It also dried extremely quickly. I use a blow dryer because I always have to do that. Cannot really leave my hair wet for a long time. But it took me maybe even half of the time which I usually would spend of blow drying my hair. It was extremely fast and very quick. So I think it did moisturize my hair, because I did hear Brad Mondo saying that when your hair is damaged and dry, the hair will refuse to dry because it's trying to keep the moisture inside. So I think because my hair is extremely moisturized from a face mask, it dried very quickly. So I think this is what happened. I am in no way expert for this kind of thing, but this is my personal opinion. And it's so soft and light and amazing feeling. I felt it straight away when I started blow drying my hair. It was extremely fast, and I felt it straight away after I turned on the blow dryer how quickly the hair was drying. So would I recommend you to use this mask? I would have to say hell yeah, try it. If you do suffer with your dry hair, definitely give it a go. It's so simple. You only need 2 ingredients. It takes about half an hour of your time to do it. You will create a lot of mess, but I think it's worth it. It's also very eco-friendly because you are not buying any hair masks in a plastic bottle, so you just need almond oil and a couple of bananas, which is very affordable as well. So definitely thumbs up for this hair mask, and I will use it in the future. Not very often because it takes quite a lot of time. It's not as easy as putting something on your hair while washing your hair, but definitely my hair feels so soft. I think it's a little bit more shiny than usually after washing the hair. Still frizzy though, but well, I guess I would probably have to use it more often. Also, I compromised my makeup by washing my hair. I didn't want to jump into the shower a whole person, so I just washed my hair over the bath. This is my conclusion, this is what I think and my opinion. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I will be trying 2 more hair masks in the future, so stay tuned, subscribe and ring the bell, which is somewhere in this area underneath my video, so you will know when I will upload another hair mask DIY homemade tutorial, trying, testing, reviewing and putting my hair into danger, so you don't have to if it won't work. But this hair mask luckily worked, and I would definitely recommend you to try it. So again, thank you so much for watching. Keep a smile on your face, and I will see you very soon, hopefully with the full hair on my head. Bye!